Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you today about classifications of bacteria. I can't stress enough how important infection control is in our industry. What I'd like for you to do now is I would like for you to grab a piece of notebook paper and a pencil, and I would like for you to pause this video and copy this chart. Once the chart is copied, I'm going to show you some fun ways that hopefully will help you remember these different classifications of bacteria. I'm going to start by explaining what the classifications are. First, we have cocci. Second, we have bacilli. And third, we have spirilla. Cocci is divided into three different subcategories: staphylococci, streptococci, and diplococci. The cocci category means it is a round-shaped bacteria. Staphylococci means that round-shaped bacteria is organized into a cluster. Think like grapes. I remember this because I think of a staff, like a school staff. Many people come together. My second hint is streptococci. Streptococci, I want you to think of strep throat, which is actually one of the causes of this bacteria. And when you think of strep throat, think of the throat being kind of arranged in like a line, which is what this shape forms. It is round, forming a line. And then the third is diplococci. Diplococci means round in pairs. I like to think of this like the candy Fun Dip. There's two parts to Fun Dip, and there's two parts in this pair. Or also, you can look at the word di, which means two. Okay, I'm going to break it down, and I'm going to bring in some candy, some fun into this. So, we have first our Skittles. Skittles is going to represent our cocci. It is round, and it can be organized in three different ways. Secondly, I have our Mike and Ikes. Mike and Ikes are going to represent our bacilli, which is rod-shaped. And then lastly, I have our Twizzlers. Twizzlers are going to represent the spirilla, which is spiral. All right. I'm going to show you here. I'm going to make a couple different arrangements. All right, here I have all my different categories. I have my streptococci, which is round, organized in a line, a curved line, similar to like what our throat looks like, where it forms like a long, skinny line. I have the diplococci, which is organized in two pairs. Dip, think of Fun Dip, two pairs. And then I have my cluster, which is my staphylococci. Think of like a cluster of grapes, or think of like a teaching staff at a school. They come together. There's a group of them. Then I have my bacilli, which is my rod-shaped, and I have my spirilla. Alrighty, I'm going to move these around here, and what I'm going to have you do now is I am going to call out the different bacteria, and I would like for you to point on the screen that you're looking at to which one you think it is. All right, let's test your memory. The first one I'm going to start with is spirilla. Go ahead and point to which one you think spirilla is. The next one is bacilli or bacilli. Go ahead and point to which one you think is bacilli. The next one is diplococci. Go ahead and point to which one you think is diplococci. The next one is staphylococci. Go ahead and point to which one you think is staphylococci. And the last one is streptococci. You can cross-check with your chart to make sure you got them correct. I hope this activity was a good reminder, and when you are taking your test, you may reflect back on the candy with a laugh.